Your next project is project 4. For this project, you will be using a while loop. Notice the due date is Monday 11/12, which is actually Veterans Day. You can turn it in that night up until 11 o'clock. This program is really designed to be completed far ahead of that time, but I'm giving you the extra time over the weekend to complete it. For this project, you will create your own file. You will create your own output file, put your name and class code and all that good stuff as the name of the file. You can use Lab 6 as a good starting point to complete this program. So Lab 6 will be done this week, and my suggestion is to do the project right afterwards while it's still fresh in your mind. For this program, you will also include a banner at the top of the program with your name and your class code and some documentation on what the program is actually doing. Make sure also you document throughout your program sections to let me know what you're doing in each section. You are an analyst for a sports information organization who has been given a file of names, racing times, and ages for participants in a 1-mile race. Your task is to determine results for participants in various age categories: under 30, between 30 and 50, and over 50, who qualify for the next race. Here's an example of the input data. So you'll have a name, their racing time in seconds, and their age. So the file looks like this with names, racing times, and ages for each participant, all the way to the end of file, of course. So you will open the runners.txt file and use a while loop to process the data. For this program, you will keep track of the number of runners that qualify for each category, the average time for the runners that qualify for each category, and the favorite fastest person's name, time, and age for the next race for each category. You will also keep track of the number of runners that did not qualify. So for instance, under 30, there are 7 qualifiers. Between 30 and 50, there are 8 qualifiers, and so on. You will also again keep the average for each category. And lastly, you will have the favorite for the next race for each category. Shannon, time of 2:05, age 23, is in the under 30 category. To determine if a runner qualifies for the next race, use the following criteria. Under 30 must run 300 seconds or less. Between 30 and 50 inclusively must run 360 seconds or less. Over 50 must run 420 seconds or less. Be careful, because a person that is 29 running 3:15 should not qualify. This might be tricky if you do not set up your if statement correctly. Here is the output again. For the output, you will have dividers for each category. Under 30, you will print the person's name, their time, and their age. You will also print the number of people that qualify for that category, and then the average time for those people that qualify. Same with 30 to 50, and also over 50. Finally, you will print the number of people that did not qualify for the race. The rubric is here on the next page. Again, Python files and output files should be named correctly. Inline comments for this, you should just comment each section. This is the section to calculate under 30. This is the section to calculate between 30 and 50, and so on. This is the section to print out all the output. Just a reminder, these above items are not a part of the 30 points. Right now, you should know to put comments in your program and also name the files correctly. The rubric consists of initializing counters and winners. Please initialize all of them to their respective values, reading data from the file correctly, and then all the categories along with output. Your output must be formatted just like I have it here. So if it's not spaced out and with dividers and all that, points will be deducted. If you have any questions, I will entertain questions in class. Thank you.